Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this baking sheet set that I got recently on Amazon. We had to upgrade all of our baking sheets in this house because they were bad. They were rusting all over. So I was doing a little bit of research, trying to see if I could find a set that I can use for baking cookies, but also many other things that I like doing in the kitchen. And I came across this set right here. There are a lot of things that I really like about this set, and I'm gonna talk about them in this video. So these are rust resistant. They are also oven safe to up to 450 Fahrenheit. They are non-stick and very easy to clean. They have this coat on top that makes cleaning so much easier. These are made of carbon steel and it has a pretty cool design. Let me show you this one right here. So as you can see, and they also state this in the post, it has this diamond design, which is supposed to help with airflow when you're making cookies, especially cookies. That was one of the biggest issues I had before. My cookies always burned at the bottom. And this diamond design is supposed to really help with that because you're gonna have airflow. It's not just going to burn the bottom, it's gonna cook the cookies all throughout very evenly. And with this set, you're gonna be getting a big sheet right here, medium and small. The quality of these are really good. They are not super thin. It's pretty thick. It's not super thick, but I feel like these are definitely thicker than the ones we had before. And one last thing I can't forget to mention is that these are dishwasher safe. You can wash these in the dishwasher, which is nice. Not all of the baking sheets were able to wash them in the dishwasher. So yeah, love these guys. I think for the price that you're paying, this is a very good deal. You're gonna be getting 3, baking sheets for the price of 1, especially if you do your research online. Depending on the type of baking sheet, really good quality baking sheets are expensive. So yeah, this one is great. It does what it's supposed to do. And yeah, I highly recommend it.